Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, October 23rd, and we're going to take a look here really quick at the hedge fund breakout indicator that's coming out here in November at Basecamp Trading and how this works. So this indicator, it's designed to give you the entry signal, the stop loss level, and the target, the profit target. And we're going to give you a whole lot of different markets with different settings for each market and different time frames, and say, okay, this is what settings you're going to want to use on that market in that time frame, everything from intraday all the way into intraday. Now, with that being said, we're going to take a look here really quick at crude oil because we've had several really good trades right in a row off this indicator, and they played out all perfectly and hit the target last night, for example. So first off, the way this looks, this big pink dot here is a buy signal. So it's a buy the open of the next price bar. So you'd be buying right here with your stop at the red line and your target at the gray line. So that would have been your first long, hit your target, nice trade, 2-to-1 reward risk. Same thing over here. The blue dot is a sell signal, so it would have been selling right here with your stop at the red line, target at the gray line. Once again, hit your target, and then the same thing over here. Selling the blue dot, so you'd sell at the open of the next bar right there, stop at the red line, target the gray line. It hit that target last night on this channel breakout and followed through very, very nicely throughout the day today. So one thing that a lot of people will say is, well, Thomas, you're leaving a lot of money on the table with some of these moves. For example, it continued to go past it to the upside, continue to go past it to the downside, the other on a couple of these trades. And that's true, but you got to keep in mind the system, the way the system is designed is it's been back tested and forward tested, and we use it with a 2-to-1 reward risk on most of these markets. And some of them, for example, I think is Apple. When you use it on Apple, you're going to be doing it in today, and you're going to have like a 24-to-1 reward risk ratio. All right, and the equity curve looks really, really smooth. Because of that balance between reward risk and percent win. So it's not trying to take out a huge piece of, it's not trying to take out the entire move that the market's going to have. It's not designed to work that way. It's designed to have a multiple of risk as the target, basically. So that's the hedge fund breakout. The way it's working is it's referencing some of our patented technology, as well as a few different other things, looking for compression in markets and then looking for breakouts of compression to identify entries. So again, looking for that market to enter into an expansion phase. As soon as we enter into the expansion phase, it looks to place a trade. But that is it for today. Again, the hedge fund breakout indicator coming out here in November. We're going to give you a lot more information when we launch with the indicator in November, and we'll do webinars and explain to you what it's doing, how it's working, what it's looking for, all that good stuff as well once it's actually time to launch. But that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to join the trading room. I mean, the trades today from the setups from last night in the end of day video played out beautifully. And I dare you to go test them out and check last night's members video and see, because 5 of the setups, every single big move that took place over the night session, the breakdown in the S&P, the breakout to the upside in bonds, the breakdown in crude oil, the breakdown in RBOB, the breakout in gold, all of those came off of setups that we talked about last night. I said, watch for these to take place over the night session and into tomorrow. So worked out beautifully. There's a link in the description for a $7 trial for an entire month. So click that, check it out. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.